What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're counting down the top 3 best kitchen knife set that combine razor-sharp precision, durability, and modern design for every cooking style. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these sets are built to impress. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Brewin Kitchen Knives Set. The Brewin Kitchen Knives Set is a comprehensive collection designed to elevate any home or professional kitchen experience. This set includes an 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 8-inch bread knife, 5-inch utility knife, 5-inch santoku knife, kitchen scissors, and a universal knife block, providing a full array of tools for all essential culinary tasks. Crafted from premium German 1.4116 stainless steel, each blade combines durability with precise, razor-sharp performance. With a Rockwell hardness rating of 56+, the hand-polished edges are sharpened to 14 to 16 degrees per side, ensuring effortless cutting and long-lasting sharpness for both everyday cooking and more intricate tasks. The knives feature a non-stick coating that enhances corrosion resistance and reduces food sticking, making slicing, dicing, and chopping smoother and more efficient. Ergonomically designed handles with textured anti-slip dots offer a secure and comfortable grip, giving users confidence and control with every cut. The accompanying high-density polypropylene knife block adds a sleek, modern touch to any countertop, while maintaining hygiene through built-in drainage holes, allowing knives to dry properly. Both the knives and block are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup and daily maintenance. Beyond functionality, the Brewin Kitchen Knives Set serves as a thoughtful gift option for housewarmings, weddings, or holidays. Its modern aesthetic and practical design make it suitable for any kitchen style, providing a balance of elegance and efficiency. Whether preparing everyday meals or tackling more complex recipes, this set delivers the tools and performance needed for confident, precise cooking. Its complete assortment, durability, and design ensure it remains an indispensable companion for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. This kitchen knife set not only emphasizes quality and performance, but also integrates style, safety, and convenience for an enhanced cooking experience. Coming in at number 2, we have the Wiztoynia Kitchen Knives Set. The Wiztoynia Kitchen Knives Set is a versatile and elegant addition to any kitchen, combining precision, durability, and style. Crafted with superior high-carbon German stainless steel, each blade maintains lasting sharpness and delivers accurate cuts for a wide range of foods, from meats and cheeses to fruits like avocado and banana. The unique diamond-patterned blades not only enhance cutting efficiency, but also prevent food from sticking, ensuring a smooth and hygienic cooking experience. Designed with utility in mind, this 6-piece set includes a 12-inch kitchen knife, 10-inch chef's knife, 9-inch utility knife, 8-inch cleaver meat knife, 7.9-inch kitchen scissors, and a 9.3-inch universal knife block. The modern knife block is perfect for kitchens with limited counter space, allowing each knife to slide easily into its holder for organized, accessible, and space-saving storage. Comfort is a key feature of this set. Each knife is built with a fully forged bolster and ergonomic PP wood handles, providing excellent balance and reducing wrist tension during use. The thoughtfully designed handles give a solid, comfortable grip for both precision tasks and heavier cutting. Additionally, the set's stainless steel blades are rust-resistant and easy to clean, making maintenance effortless while promoting kitchen hygiene. With its combination of practicality, durability, and sleek design, the Wiztoynia Kitchen Knives Set is a reliable companion for everyday cooking, whether preparing simple meals or more intricate dishes. This set seamlessly merges functionality with aesthetics, making it suitable for both small kitchens and experienced home chefs who value precision and quality in their culinary tools. And finally, at number 1, we have the Astercook Kitchen Knives Set. The Astercook Kitchen Knives Set is a comprehensive collection designed to meet the demands of both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. This set features a versatile lineup, including an 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, 8-inch serrated bread knife, 5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 blade guards, offering a solution for virtually every kitchen task. Whether chopping vegetables, slicing meat, or preparing delicate ingredients, these knives provide the precision and efficiency needed for effortless meal preparation. Each knife is treated with a protective anti-rust coating, ensuring resistance against oxidation and making them safe for dishwasher use. A non-stick layer further enhances maintenance, keeping the blades clean and ready for daily use. For storage and transport, every knife comes with a blade guard, allowing for safe and compact placement in kitchen drawers or convenient portability for camping trips and RV adventures. Beyond functionality, the Astercook set is designed to delight as a gift. Its elegant presentation and practical appeal make it an ideal choice for holidays, birthdays, or housewarming celebrations, catering to new cooks as well as seasoned kitchen enthusiasts. Committed to quality, every Astercook cook knife undergoes rigorous inspection, and the set is backed by a lifetime warranty. This dedication ensures not only reliable performance but also peace of mind, making it a lasting addition to any kitchen. With this knife set, cooking becomes more enjoyable, efficient, and precise, turning everyday meal preparation into a seamless culinary experience. Don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen essentials. Check the price link in the description to find your perfect knife set today. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more top product countdowns and honest recommendations.